Looking for the best deals on heating and air conditioning services in North Austin? Airco Heating and Air Conditioning, a contractor based in Round Rock, Texas, announced an update of its services for residential clients. The company offers a full range of HVAC repair, installation, replacement and maintenance services, with a new range of financing plans now available. With the latest update, the North Austin HVAC Company strives to provide a flexible and affordable solution for homeowners in the Austin area. One of the company's most popular services is its monthly maintenance plan. Learn more https://shop.aircomechanical.com/. The company's experienced technicians check for all types of HVAC issues, including dirty coils, ducts and vents. With new financing services and 2020 rebates now introduced, keeping your AC and heating systems in top condition has never been easier. Contact us at https://www.aircomechanical.com/residential.